Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making the super easy no-bake dessert chocolate caramel cups. It's basically like a peanut butter cup, but instead of peanut butter, it's filled with a light and fluffy whipped caramel filling. This recipe is super quick, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is make the caramel. For that, in a pan, I'm going to melt 3/4 cup of granulated sugar on medium-low heat. You don't need to stir this in the beginning. Once it starts melting a little bit, you can stir. Once that's fully melted, we're going to add in some unsalted butter. And then mix until it's fully combined. The full written recipe is available in the description box below, so make sure to click the link to check that out. Now we're going to add in some heavy cream and give that a mix until it's combined as well. During this time, you want to make sure the heat remains at medium to medium-low. Once that's fully combined, we're going to leave this on medium heat to simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes without stirring. And then I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and lastly add in some salt and give it a mix. You can add either a 1/4 teaspoon or a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, depending on how salty you want your caramel to be. And now we're going to refrigerate that for 15 minutes. In the meantime, you want to go ahead and chop up some almonds super finely and set that aside as well. You can also use peanuts or walnuts or any other type of nuts if you'd like. Next, we're going to move on to the chocolate cups, and for that, we're going to be using cupcake liners. Melt some dark chocolate in a microwave or in a double boiler, and now we're going to spread those out into the cupcake liners. I've tried this with dark and milk chocolate, and I found that it works best with dark chocolate because the bitterness really helps complement the sweetness of the caramel. Although in this video, I am using milk chocolate. Add about 2 teaspoons of melted chocolate into each liner. And then repeat this process for about 10 cupcake liners. Now we're going to place this in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes or until we're done preparing the caramel filling. The caramel has been refrigerated for about 15 minutes, and now we're going to whip this for 1 to 2 minutes and place it back into the freezer this time for 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, and now we're going to whip this up until it is nice and pale and fluffy. Again, the full recipe will be available in the description box below, so make sure to click the link to check that out. Once the caramel looks like this, it is ready to go and you can stop beating. Add about 1 teaspoon of caramel filling into each chocolate cup. Now we're going to add in the chopped almonds that we had prepared earlier. You can add as much as you like. Next, we're going to cover the tops with some more melted chocolate, like so. We're going to refrigerate this for 1 hour until the chocolate is fully set, or you can even freeze for 20 minutes if you're short on time. And that's it, your chocolate caramel cups are ready to be enjoyed. This recipe is quick and easy, and you can definitely leave out the nuts if you don't like them. The caramel filling inside is light and fluffy and creamy, and is definitely an upgrade to just normal salted caramel. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it, and leave a comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thanks for watching.